SCA Kit is Crestal Approach Kit for sinus lift since 2008. First, using 2.0 initial drill with stopper in SCA Kit. Using 2.2 drill with stopper, in surgical kit, widening the hole. 3.0 drill with stopper, in surgical kit, widening more. Using 2.4S reamer in SCA Kit, drilling inferior cortical wall and lifting sinus membrane about 1 mm. Check inferior cortical wall perforation with depth gauge. With Aqua Lift System, lift sinus membrane with water. Bone graft material using bone carrier. Insert 0.05 cc at a time. Push the bone materials inside with bone condenser. When the bone no longer goes in, you can insert the bone more easily by using the bone inserter. Spread out the accumulated bones with bone spreader. Repeat this process 6 times for 3 mm membrane lifting. Final drilling with 3.5 mm drill in surgical kit. When bone is hard like D1 or D2, tapping crestal cortical area with tap drill. But below D3, procedure may be unnecessary based on dentist's decision. Place CMIS3 active implant.